बेबी थोड़ा दूर बैठी मस्त शर्मिंदी कैसा मास जो
जनाब थोड़ा रुझे पास पास तो ही उचन
श्योरिटी ब्रुक वाली ब्रुक पूरा सकता
ना बीनस पाथ बीनस
ना यम निक हमने शौक आसा
चलो तेरे से
अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम
यार पास पास
Assalamu alaikum to all of you. As all of you know, it's the grand final of President's Cup here at Golizu. It was a wonderful and fabulous final as you witnessed it. We have got a number of chief guests. We have got here District Association President Mr. Zuhur Ahmad Dar. We have got here President Mr. Ghulam Ahmad. We have got Major Satish. We have got Mohammad Ramzan Mir. We have got Ghulam Ahmad Mir, Bashir Ahmad Lawn, Town Commander 41 RR, Major Gaurav Arya, Mahdi Peer, Tehsildar, other cricket lovers, gentlemen, dignitaries, we welcome all of you on this grand event. It was a long due, but finally we are here to celebrate it on this beautiful occasion on Sunday. As you know, we have got so many trophies here for those who deserve it. We begin with the awards for today's match referees. Our first award goes to match referee Mr. Faisal Ahmed Peer. Mr. Faisal Ahmed Peer, please come forward and receive your award from Mr. Mohammad Amin Khan sir, one of our chief guests. We welcome you here. Your presence is honor for us. Faisal would be followed by Sheikh Jilani, captain, and today he offered his services as referee. Please come forward, and Mr. Bashir Ahmad Lawn will present him this award for the best referee of the match. Congratulations, Jilani. You are such a wonderful and nice guy. After this, I would like to ask the commentators, Mr. Zuhur Ahmad, please come forward and receive award from Mr. Ghulam Madin, ex-trade president. Please come forward and present this award to Zuhur Ahmad as commentator in today's match. He will be followed by Idris Ahmed. Idris, if you are somewhere, please come forward and receive award from Mr. Ghulam Ahmed. Ghulam Ahmed Mir, please come forward and Idris Ahmed, you are such a sweet commentator. We congratulate you for being such a nice commentator. We have got so many awards, gentlemen, dignitaries. We hope you be here with us. We have got award for our today's scorers. I would like to call Danish. Danish, please come forward. He would be awarded by Mr. Ghulam Madin. Please come forward. Ex-Tahsildar, Mr. Ghulam Madin. You have offered wonderful services during your career. We are happy with that. Thank you. Thank you, sir. After that, I would like to call Musab, scorer, today's scorer. Please come forward and receive award from Mohammad Ramzan. Mohammad Ramzan will please come forward and award this young man for being scorer, offering his services as scorer. Thank you, young man. Please. After this, we have got tournament officiating awards. The first tournament officiating award goes to Mr. Faiz Ahmad Malik. Faiz Ahmad Malik from Tragam is a player of Lord's Fishing. Faiz Ahmad Malik. He will be awarded by President Mr. Zur Ahmad Dar. Please come forward and award him. Thank you, Faz Sahab. You are such a nice bowler, and this award goes for officiating the tournament. And he will be followed by Manzoor Ahmad. Manzoor Ahmad is not present here, so after that, Tariq Ahmad Sofi. Tariq Sofi, please come forward and receive the award. If he is not here, Parvez Ahmad will receive the award on behalf of him, please. Parvez Ahmad will present this award to Mr. Tariq Ahmad Sofi. Tariq Ahmad Sofi, thank you for your services in order to organize such a beautiful tournament. We have got then Groundsman Award, who help us in getting through this tournament by maintaining ground. We have got the first award in that connection to Mr. Farid Ahmad. Mr. Farid Ahmad. Mr. Farid Ahmad, thank you. You have got a lot of support base here. Mr. Shabir sir will present this award to Farid sir. Thank you. You seem to be more popular than anybody else here. And then Parvez Ahmad, please come forward and receive your award as groundsman. And Ghulam Adin Parvez Ahmad, please. Ghulam Adin will present this award to Parvez Ahmad. Nice young gentleman. And then we have got Adnan. Adnan, if you are listening, come here and receive your trophy from Akhtar. Akhtar sir. You have got such a beautiful appearance. Akhtar will present this award. Adnan is followed by Akash. Akash, if you are listening, come here and receive your trophy. It would be presented by Mr. Ghulam Ahmad. Ghulam Modi, sorry. And then Mudassir. Mudassir, come forward and receive your award. He has already received it. So, cricketers, Burhan will receive this award from Shabir sir, please. A big clap for Burhan, yes, well done boy. After that, we have got awards for organizing body. We congratulate and thank this organizing body for organizing such a beautiful tournament. Your contribution to this, to the contribution of supports in this district, it is extraordinary. We have found you selfless in support duties. The first award goes to Parvez Ahmad Sheikh. He will receive this award from Mr. Major Gaurav. Mr. Major Gaurav will please come forward and distribute all these trophies to the organizing body. First of all, Parvez Sheikh, he will receive this award from the Major. Thank you. He is followed by Parvez Ahmad Mir. Parvez Ahmad Mir, please come forward and receive the award. Parvez Ahmad Mir, there's a big clap for you. Gentlemen, thank you and congratulations for your services. Then it is Mr. Shabir Ahmad Mir. Shabir Ahmad Mir, a young clap for Shabir Ahmad Mir. He is the man behind Steel Color Band. Thank you, Mr. Shabir Ahmad Mir. After that, I will call GM Kumar. Gulamuddin Kumar, please come forward and receive the award from Major Gaurav. Shaukat Ahmed Malik. Shaukat Ahmed Malik from organizing body will receive award. Shaukat Ahmed Malik, if he is not present here, Salim Dar, if you are present here, you receive award. Salim Dar is another from the organizing body. Please come forward and receive your award. If Salim Dar is listening, yes, Salim, please come forward. Salim Dar will receive from the award from Major Gaurav Arya, and then it is finally Akhtar Mir. Akhtar Mir, please come forward. Thank you, gentlemen, for being the basic member of organizing body. After that, we have got awards for district body. Major, thank you. You can take your seat. Then I would like to call Major Satish. Please come forward and present those awards to the another party. Yes, district body. From district body, we have got President Zoor Ahmad Dar, a very young, wise and decent gentleman. He will receive award from Major Satish. Zoor Ahmad Dar, President, would be followed by Secretary Nafis Ahmed from district body. On his behalf, Basit Dar will receive the award from Major Satish. Basit Dar, please. It's followed by Akhtar Mir. Akhtar Mir, please come forward and receive your award as Treasurer District Body. Akhtar Mir. And then we have got Nasir Ahmed Peer. He is the Vice President of District Body Cricket Association. Nasir Ahmed Peer. If he is not present here, Shabir sir will come and receive his award. If he is not present, then Mr. Shabir Ahmed Mir will receive his award on behalf of him and will hand over to him later on. And then we have got the last award in the district body that goes to Faisal Peer, being a joint secretary of the district body. Yes, please come forward. So we have got awards for our chief guests today. I would like to call Mr. Mohammad Amin Khan, sir. He will present the award to Mr. Town Commander. Town Commander will come and receive the award of honor from Teachers Forum President, Mr. Mohammad Amin Khan.